Alrighty, we got some tune-ups today. We're here in Rancho Santa Fe in our tune-up process. Very important that it's done so that we can thoroughly go through your system, get you ready for the summer. Springtime is right around the corner. Very important to be done so that you're good to go. You're not spending high energy bills and your system's reliable for you on the hottest days of the year. So we got ourselves a system here. We're gonna check everything, the mechanical, electrical, and the refrigerants. But our tune-up involves cleaning out the coil, tightening electrical fittings, and letting them know anything that needs to be done out of the ordinary, okay? So let's get right into it. I always check pressures first, turn the system on before I take it apart, kind of see what's going on, get a pulse of the system, and then I'll take it all apart, look at the electrical, look at the mechanical, and we'll clean the coil out after that. Cool, so now we got the unit running in cooling mode. I usually give it about 5 minutes to, kind of do its thing, stabilize a little bit. In the meantime though, we're gonna go connect the hose, get our clean products ready, and then I have this connected to my phone, so I'll take a screenshot of the pressures and everything and turn it off and disassemble it and go from there. Our tune-up today, we go through everything just like a maintenance, but it's not a maintenance. What we don't do, what's different from maintenance, is we're not cleaning the indoor unit, nor are we changing filters. So this is great for you, but maintenance is even better. So we always explain that when we go to everyone's house, what the benefits are today and how much beneficial the maintenance is compared to a tune-up. Nonetheless, very important, get that tune-up so that we could see what needs to be done and let you know what maintenance needs to be done at your house. So now we just coated the system with the chemicals we use to break down the dirt and debris accumulated on the coil. We're now going to let the chemicals break that down and we'll wash it away with our water. When we do this, we do it from the inside out to push dirt away from the system. Definitely don't want to push it in because then you're just making it worse. So we do this so that it can breathe properly. It works just like a radiator in a car, radiates the heat. This fan will then extract the heat while simultaneously cooling down the compressor. And now if it's embedded with dirt and debris, it's going to make everything work harder, which leads to premature failure down the road. So maintenance is very important no matter what machine it is, but this is how we do it in HVAC. Alrighty, so now when we're putting it back together, I always like to wipe down our systems, whether the ones we installed or not. The ones we don't install, we definitely make sure it's nice and shiny, clean it up real nice. The ones we install get a little extra treatment with it, but you'll see after when I'm done, be nice and shiny and maintains the system's appearance as well. So that is both with our tune-ups and our maintenance plans. So here, when we check our electrical, I'm going to check the microfarads on the capacitor. This one is a 40, so within it's got to be plus or minus 6% of it, of that 40, and we're at 38.3, so still within specs, which is good. So obviously the corrosion, the dirt and debris doesn't help, but we're still within specs, which is great. We'll work our way inside, look at the indoor unit, but this system's tuned up, we know what's going on. Definitely a couple things we could address, make it a little better, but got to go to the indoor unit first. Maintenance is going to go a long ways. Obviously the filter is dirty. It's an electric filter, but nonetheless, these filters do tell you. This one says it's really dirty, so it's just routine maintenance is going to go a long ways for this guy. And we're on to the next system.